I would see the full one. This is the top wash, regular wash, and where's the basic?
Yeah, at the bottom it just says basic.
Can't see it.
$10.
We get the spring wash. Oh, $14 top wash. Oh, best value includes a washing one. Ooh. Ceramic sealant. Oh, windshield. Entrance to shop. This is washing one. This is washing one. Join the washing one club today. Ryko.
No undercarriage.
Undercarriage wash had a problem.
Apparently.
I got you the top wash.
I know, it should have an undercarriage wash.
Stop. I heard a buzzing. Starting a foam bath. Finally got foam bath, but the triphone had a problem. Wow, it says foam bath. Oh, watch I go. I got your top wash. Locked up printer press is disabled. Yes, we programmed this machine. This is the older system.
Mm-hmm. Sorry,
No triphone. Get a top one. Yeah, there's no real squatter. Now it's just rinsing. 2 passes of wash. Now it's rinsing. Spot frequency already. They give us a basic wash program there. Hello.
Didn't pay for a basic wash.
This machine
Sure
broke
seems
epic
to
user
have.
error. Oh, come on. This is an epic user error.
It's not a user error. It's a system error.
System error, yeah.
If it was user error, it would be our fault.
This is the system error. That paid for the $14, but it gives us a basic program.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this has happened. Now it's the drying right now. They give us a system error. This has happened.
We're starting back there.
What? This is weird. Let's start back right there. This is good watch, dude. System error. This is crazy. They get single pass dry instead of double. Wow. But next time when we visit, try to get a middle watch next time when we visit. See what happens with the system. compared to the top wash, they give us a basic program. That is a system error. Wow. They give us a basic program when they got the top wash. That paid for $14 wash.
I know.
Wasted a little wasted money too.
Yeah. Good time to go complain about
And they need to fix the program too. Wash program. Pretty soon.
it. One dryer pass.
This is a lot of problems. Next time I try to get a better wash. Our wash is
Only
complete.
one dryer pass.
This is weird. Just like Ryko Voyager 2. Yeah. The older Ryko.
That's messed up.
This machine is messed up. They need to fix this machine. So that is it. System error will be on the title.